Hey guys, we are back with another video this time. We are discussing IAM. IAM is Identity and Access Management. You can specify who or what can access services and resources in AWS. You can centrally manage permissions that control which AWS resources users can access. You use IAM to control who is authenticated and authorized to use resources. We will create a basic IAM user with basic permissions. For better security practice, you should create a user group with permissions assigned to the group instead of setting up user permissions individually. This demonstration will just be showing how IAM works. To create a user, click Users. Give the user an appropriate name. Here you can add users to a prior created group, copy a permission from another user, but we'll be attaching policies directly to our user. You can create your own specific policy, but AWS includes many policies that you can use for free. These policies are what allow the user to access AWS resources, such as EC2. For this user, we'll attach a policy with full IAM access, where the user can access everything with IAM, including creating other users with permissions. Now we will create the user, and it will appear in the user group. In the Users page, you can see what policy is attached and add or removes policies to the user. Now, to allow someone to access the user, you click on the Security Credentials tab and click Enable Console Access. An auto-generated password and click on the check mark. Download the CSV file, which contains the username, password, and login URL for the test user. Anybody you want to access the user, you provide them with the credentials. All right, that's it for today.